What if the smartest SUV you could buy wasn't the fastest, the most luxurious, or even the newest, but the one that simply refuses to break down? In a world where modern vehicles are packed with complicated electronics, expensive sensors, and cutting-edge technology, reliability has quietly become the most valuable feature of all. Because when an SUV keeps running year after year with minimal repairs, it doesn't just save you money, it saves you stress. Today, we're counting down 9 SUVs famous for long-term durability, the kind owners routinely drive well past 200,000 miles, sometimes even approaching 500,000. Stick around until the end because we'll also reveal 2 SUVs you might want to think twice about if you're trying to avoid costly repairs. SUVs dominate today's global car market. From compact crossovers to full-size luxury machines, they've become the default choice for families across the United States and Europe. But as vehicles evolve with advanced driver assistance systems, hybrid powertrains, and new automotive innovation, long-term reliability can sometimes take a back seat to flashy technology. And that's the challenge buyers face in 2026 and beyond. Many future cars promise cutting-edge features, electrification, and advanced connectivity, yet the vehicles that truly earn owner loyalty are often the ones that combine modern safety and efficiency with proven mechanical durability. So in this video, we're highlighting 9 SUVs that consistently earn praise for longevity. These are vehicles known for strong engineering, dependable powertrains, and ownership experiences that stretch far beyond the warranty period. Some are affordable everyday crossovers, others are rugged luxury SUVs built for extreme durability. But all of them share one thing in common: owners trust them to go the distance. Starting at number 9 is the Subaru Outback, a vehicle that helped redefine what a crossover could be. When it first appeared decades ago, it blended the practicality of a wagon with the capability of an SUV. Today, it remains one of the most dependable choices for drivers who need year-round confidence. The Outback's reputation largely comes down to its engineering philosophy. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system distributes power evenly to all 4 wheels, improving traction while reducing uneven drivetrain stress. Under the hood, most models use a naturally aspirated boxer engine, known for durability and smooth operation. The result is an SUV that many owners report driving well beyond 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. At number 8 is the Toyota RAV4, one of the most recognizable SUVs in the world. Its popularity isn't just about styling or brand reputation, it's about consistency. Toyota has spent decades refining the RAV4's powertrains and chassis, creating a platform that balances efficiency with reliability. Modern versions even incorporate hybrid technology that improves fuel economy without sacrificing durability. It's a great example of how automotive innovation can work alongside long-proven engineering rather than replacing it. That combination is why used RAV4 models often retain strong resale value even after years on the road. Next, at number 7, is the Acura RDX, a luxury SUV that quietly delivers performance and durability without the high maintenance costs often associated with European competitors. The RDX blends Honda engineering with premium materials, creating an SUV that feels refined yet dependable. Earlier generations used naturally aspirated V6 engines that became known for longevity, while newer versions adopt turbocharged 4-cylinder powertrains paired with advanced all-wheel drive systems. The result is a vehicle that offers luxury comfort while still maintaining relatively low long-term ownership costs. Number 6 might surprise some buyers: the Hyundai Santa Fe. Over the past decade, Hyundai has dramatically improved its reputation through better engineering and industry-leading endurance warranty coverage. The Santa Fe stands out because it blends affordability with impressive reliability. Owners frequently report high mileage with minimal mechanical issues, and the brand's long powertrain warranty adds an extra layer of security. Newer models also incorporate hybrid powertrains and advanced driver assistance technology, showing how modern SUVs can combine durability with forward-thinking design. Moving into the top 5, we encounter one of the toughest luxury SUVs ever built, the Lexus LX. Beneath its premium leather interior and sophisticated styling lies engineering closely related to the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser platform. That connection is significant because the Land Cruiser has built its global reputation in some of the harshest environments on Earth, from desert expeditions to remote mountain roads. The LX takes that same rugged foundation and adds luxury refinement. It may not be the most fuel-efficient SUV, but when it comes to durability, few vehicles on the road can match its reputation. At number 4 is the Mazda CX-5, an SUV that proves reliability and driving enjoyment don't have to be mutually exclusive. Mazda has built a reputation for crafting vehicles that feel more engaging behind the wheel than many competitors in the same class. Unlike several rivals, the CX-5 avoids continuously variable transmissions and instead uses a traditional automatic gearbox. That choice contributes to a more natural driving experience while also improving long-term durability. Combine that with Mazda's refined interior design and sharp exterior styling, and you get a compact SUV that feels more premium than its price suggests. Number 3 goes to the Subaru Forester, a vehicle known for practicality and long-term dependability. The Forester's upright design maximizes visibility, while its standard all-wheel drive system ensures confident driving in challenging conditions. Subaru's engineering improvements over the years have addressed earlier concerns about transmission durability, and today's models deliver impressive reliability ratings from multiple industry sources. For drivers who prioritize safety, capability, and longevity, the Forester continues to stand out. Coming in at number 2 is the Honda CR-V, one of the most successful SUVs ever produced. Its formula is simple: efficient engines, practical design, and consistent engineering refinement. Modern CR-V models also feature hybrid systems that deliver excellent fuel economy while maintaining the reliability that has defined Honda's reputation for decades. That combination makes it an appealing option for buyers looking towards the future of efficient mobility without stepping fully into the world of EVs. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Honda HR-V. While it may be smaller than many SUVs on this list, its durability and efficiency have earned strong praise from long-term owners. The HR-V focuses on simplicity, efficient engines, practical interior packaging, and dependable engineering. Its compact size also contributes to lower running costs, including better fuel economy and reduced insurance expenses. For drivers who want a reliable daily companion rather than a flashy status symbol, the HR-V delivers exactly that. When you step back and look at this list, a pattern quickly emerges. The SUVs with the best long-term reliability are rarely the most extravagant or technologically experimental. Instead, they come from manufacturers that prioritize engineering consistency, gradual innovation, and proven powertrains. That doesn't mean the industry is standing still. In fact, many of these models now incorporate hybrid systems, advanced safety technology, and improved efficiency. But the key difference is how those features are introduced, carefully and deliberately. As the automotive world moves towards EVs, electrification, and increasingly sophisticated driver assistance systems, the vehicles that succeed long-term will likely be those that balance innovation with durability. In other words, the future of SUVs isn't just about new technology, it's about building machines that drivers can trust for decades. So what's the real takeaway from this list? The smartest SUV purchase isn't necessarily the newest or the most powerful. It's the one that quietly delivers reliability year after year. When a vehicle avoids major repairs, holds its value, and keeps operating efficiently, it becomes far more than transportation. It becomes a long-term investment. So whether you're exploring 2026 cars, researching dependable crossovers, or comparing the next generation of luxury SUVs and hybrid vehicles, reliability should always be part of the equation. Because the vehicles that truly stand the test of time aren't the ones that generate the most hype. They're the ones owners keep driving long after the excitement of the showroom fades. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which SUV would you trust to drive for the next 10 or even 20 years? And is there a vehicle you've owned that proved so reliable you'd buy it again without hesitation? Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Car Guide Hub for more insights into future cars, automotive innovation, and the SUVs shaping the next generation of mobility. Because the right vehicle doesn't just get you from point A to point B, it keeps doing it for hundreds of thousands of miles.